In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Android Studio on macOS. So if you're running Windows, then you need to jump straight to the next video. Still here? Great. Android Studio is the only piece of software that you need for this course. It includes both a coding environment and a simulator so that you can run Android apps on emulated devices, phones and smartwatches right there on your machine. To download it, just go to developer.android.com/studio and then click the big green button to download Android Studio. Then click to agree that you've read the terms and conditions, click the big button, and then it will download Android Studio for you. It's quite a big file, so you might want to go make a cup of tea while you're waiting for it to download. While it's downloading, I'll let you know a quick bit of good news, and that is with this version of Android Studio, you don't need to download and install Java separately. You can just download Android Studio itself, and that's it. Java comes pre-installed within Android Studio itself. And that's now downloaded. So I can open up the DMG file just by tapping on it there. And then once that's extracted, you'll get to a screen like this, and you just drag Android Studio into applications.